Chrome tan full grain leather? Really? Loft of Cambie. This is the Flip Wolyt. It's a bifold. Let's get into this. A tight little offering. Good external communication in the box. The one I have here is... Oh yes. Let's see here. Nice tissue paper. This is a tan and blue. It also comes in other color combinations. Let's take a quick look here at the sewing configuration. And we can see we do have some reinforcement in some of these areas. On here, let's take a look. Ooh, bright colors. All right, well, you know what we're going to do next. Wolyt, eh? Here on the front, we've got one quick access card slot. Then, and that's capacity 1 to 2 cards. Then we have 2 external card slots. One right here, and another one right here. And this is has a pull strap to be able to access cards from here, as well as a nice little V for finger and thumb to be able to grab cards if that's the way you want to do it. 1 to 3 cards on each of these external card slots. And we open it up, and then we have 2 internal card slots. We have this one in the back, and then we have this slot right here in the front. And it tends to peek itself out with a card right here, which will show you 1 to 3 cards in each of those, and 1 internal SIM storage right here. Now this is a cache fold. Cache comes here, comes over this way, and you're able to maintain its integrity by having the corners of the cache right here. Then finally it has a hidden compartment. Not really hidden, I mean you can see it from the topper right here. And you've got usefulness for really keys, coins. It only goes about halfway down to about right here. So this isn't for something that's really deep, a card isn't going to fit in there, but other things that might be useful. And that is all the features, which are quite a few. It measures 3.7 by 3.4 by 0.3 and it weighs 29 grams or 1 ounce. Well, there's a lot going on here, so let's kind of take a smell. All right, you notice I got 6 cards in there. Company recommends really only up to 7. So you may have a lot of slots, but they really can't take a lot of cards. And then when you apply anything into this hidden compartment, it's going to add the bulk, as you saw. And this almost got up to 1 inch. So we can pull what we had in here out, which included several coins and a key that we see here. Not a lot really for that wallet. You'll also notice that all the currencies, I mean, we've got a yen back here, euros, none of those will have problems in fitting across this. And it is a way of reducing bulk so you don't actually have a cash pouch. And we've seen this in other particular wallets too, like the Abrissus. Now this is designed in Canada and made in China. Chrome tan full grain leather? Really? I don't know about that. Notice that we have rolled edges all the way around here. That is because of the thinness of the cut of the leather as well as the incorporation of fabric as part of this. That's the best way to try and handle that. It does provide, of course, variety in what you're doing. Just means you've got thinner cuts or pieces of whatever you're putting together, and it works. And even though this is machine sewn, we can see where we have a reinforcement right up in here, as well as we see this over on the sides here, both top and to the side. So while machine sewn, it does have points of reinforcement that I think are important that we see here, just to make sure that nothing blows out as part of a day-to-day usage of the wallet. We look at the pull strap here in the back. We get a good feel for this. You can take a look, and there we go. You can see that we've got this bridge, and this bridge is taken care of very nicely by having sewing on both sides, and this is reinforced into the sidewall right in here. So there's really not going to be a concern of this particular pull strap pulling out from this bridge over time. Now, this multi-layer that we have in here, this does include an RFID layer, so you get that RFID protection. One thing is that this is a very complicated tech pack, meaning all the pieces that go into the construction of this, there is a lot going on with this particular wallet. And I really don't mind their logo down here. It's very inconspicuous and not really in the way or loud. So now, while aesthetically pleasing, the use of lighter weight fabric like in here will reduce the durability of the wallet long term, and especially for this hidden compartment when it's used, because it only goes down so far. And this is fabric in here. This is not leather that you would expect. The price in this wallet is $55. From a usability perspective, this hidden compartment flap is about 1 millimeter too short to really cover this. And so it easily falls back in. The opportunity for whatever you have in here to fall out really increases. It just needs to be just about 1 millimeter longer to flap over this opening, fold over this opening here to make this more secure. And the corner push for the card right here is really a nice touch. Ease of use helps reduce bulk, and I kind of like this cash wrap component. Like I said, it's similar to the Abrasys's bifold wallet. There's a lot of character and organizational features in this wallet, but what else do you see? Let us know in the comments below. Now on to the final score. For quality of 3, price of 3, features of 4, a lot going on, usability of 4, one thing there with a hidden slot, but not a big deal, and perception of 3. That gives us a score of 3.4 out of 5. If you like this wallet, then look at this one next, and we will see you in the next review. Goodbye.